Hi, welcome to DY India Tech. Today we look installation CentOS 9 in VMware Workstation 17. CentOS 9 is the latest versions which is quite stable. CentOS 9 is a similar OS as RHL9. RHL9 is a OS which have supported versions, and CentOS 9 is a open source but quite similar all those inside commands and file structure. So let me begin how we can install this CentOS 9 in VMware Workstation 17. So first of all, let me open my VMware. So my VMware versions is 17.5, which is already installed. So today we do the installations of CentOS 9. So for installations, we have to go inside files, select the option new virtual machine. Once you click this option, you will see the two options. We have to go with customs. Click on the next. Here we don't want to select anything, just click on the next. Now here we have to change our installer locations, which is where I have downloaded my images. So I have downloaded the image of CentOS Stream 9 latest versions. So I will just select my image and click on next. Here we have to put the name, username and password. Click on next. Now we have to define or write a name our virtual machine. So I'm creating the virtual machine is DY India Tech -server -3 -c9 -2. I just put my virtual machine name. Now we have to select the installations of this virtual machine. We will create one folder. So now I've selected the location where I want to install this virtual machine. Click on next. Here you can select the CPU. Here is by default 1 GB. I will increase to 4 GB, so it's much faster for installations. Here this network setting remains same. Here we are using controller type is logic and disk type we are using esxi. We have created a new disk. The disk size is by default is 20 GB. It's quite enough for installations. Next. Now see this configurations detail which we have selected. My machine name is DY India Tech Server -3-C92. Locations where is this machine get installed. Workstation version is 17.5. Operating system is a CentOS 9. Disk size is 20 GB. Memory is 4 GB. Network is NAT, and this is for CD-ROM and DVD. Just click on the finish. Once you click on the finish, this machine get booting. So we have to wait for some time. Now see the system is booting. Now this screen is loaded. Welcome to CentOS Stream 9. So here we have to select the language. I'm selecting English, and here is India. Just click on continue. After that, you can see there is a multiple options there. So we just check it this installation, just click on done. Next, we have to set a password. Click on done. Now software selections. So here by default we are using server with GUI. If you want to choose anything additional, then we can choose from here. Click on done. Create a users. So let me create one user. I'm creating one users with administrator right. Click on OK. Now I've selected the basic things which is required for installations. Just begin for installations. So now you can see the installation is it will take some time for installing all those selected packages. So now if you see the screen, the installation's almost completed. Total package is 1177. Out of that, 1132 already installed. So few packages still pending. So it will complete in few minutes. So normally it will take overall 30 minutes for this all the packages installations, because thousands of packages need to be installed for this OS. So it will take almost 30 minutes. Now the installation is completed. Need to reboot the system. So just click on the reboot system button. Now the system is initiated for reboot. It will take a few minutes. Now system is loading. Now after reboot, you can see lookalikes. So I'm just trying to log in my user. Just enter password and put enter. So now see my system is login. Come to CentOS stream. In the bottom, if you click, there is a multiple option is there. So let me open this terminals. These look like similar is Windows. If you boot this CentOS in graphic mode, IP. So my IP is 145. So let me take a control this virtual machine with my physical systems. So it much faster. So my IP is 45. Once you log in, you have to accept this. Then my username and password. Let's switch to root. So now see, I just log in. So let's check the versions. So this is CentOS Stream Release 9. Uname -a. If you run uname -a, then you will see the versions. So installation is completed successfully. See the run labels and this IP. So installation is quite simple, and this is CentOS 9, which is using the file system XFS, which is Advanced File Systems. So it is good for security wise and performance wise. So that's it for today. So if you like this video, just share your friend and click for like how we will do the installations of CentOS 9. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching DY India Tech.